안녕하세요 everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Korean savory pancake mix from the scratch. Maybe you have seen this kind of fry batter mix, or this is Korean pancake batter mix. But if you don't have it, you can easily make at home using a few different types of flours. I'm going to show it from now. To make a perfect Korean pancake mix, start with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add a few ingredients that add the texture and the flavor to the pancake mix. For added crunch, add potato starch, and to achieve a light texture, add the sticky rice powder, also called chapssal in Korean. Then add coarse salt, the garlic powder, and ground black pepper. To enhance the pancake's flavor, I'll incorporate some ground dried shrimp into the pancake mixture. Great, we've gathered all the necessary ingredients. To make a consistent and well-balanced flavor in the pancake mix, proceed with the sieving process. This pancake mix can be kept in the freezer for up to 1 month. Now we want to make a vegetable pancake using ingredients from the refrigerator. Julienne the zucchini and the carrot. Then season them with salt and let them sit for about 20 minutes to allow excess moisture to be released. Okay, keep this liquid because we're going to use to make a batter. Once that's done, blend in 5 to 6 tablespoons of the mixture until you achieve a thick consistency that looks almost like a dough. You may add a few tablespoons of water to make this consistency. Heat the pan over medium heat and add a generous amount of vegetable oil and place a big scoop of the pancake mixture onto the pan. Spread the mixture evenly and allow it to cook until it turns brown and develops a crispy texture. Once it's done, turn it over and cook the other side. This Korean pancake mix batter makes 2 medium-sized Jeon Korean pancake. You can double or triple the recipe and keep in the freezer. It's going to keep up to 1 month.